Dear children, let us take the hot questions from the 5th question paper of 2023. Now you take that question. What is that question? A train travels 48 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 10 km per hour more, it would have taken 4 hours less for the same journey. Find the speed for the train. Here you use the relation among the distance, speed and time. What is the distance traveled by the train? The distance traveled by the train is 480 km. So you take time equals distance by speed. So here you take, let the speed equals x. Let the speed equals x kilometer per hour. You take x only. Then the time taken by the train when it travels with the speed x is, you write time equals distance by speed. Distance by speed, which is equals to distance is 480 km. You write 480 only and the speed is x. Consider this is the first situation. And the next situation, it is given that if the speed had been 10 km per hour more, then the speed becomes x plus 10. In the second case, the speed becomes x plus 10. Then the distance is same. So the time becomes 480 by x plus 10. And the speed becomes x plus 10. So write, if the speed is x plus 10, then you write time equals, again you take the distance by speed only, 480 by x plus 10. Now you consider second. Now when the speed increases, you know that time taken decreases. That is, first time is more than the second time. How much more? First time is 4 hours more. Means second time is 4 hours less. Then you take first minus second equals 4. Then first is 480 by x minus 480 by x plus 10, which is equals to 4. Here you take the LCM of these two. What is the LCM of x and x plus 10? LCM of x and x plus 10 is x into x plus 10. And in the numerator, 480 into x plus 10. 480 into x plus 10 and minus 480 into x. As the LCM is the product of that denominators. You write 4. RHS is 4. Now you find the product of these two. 480 into x is 480x. 480 into 10, 4800. Then you write minus 480x. That divided by, write the product of these two. X into x, x square plus x into 10, 10x equals 4. Here you observe plus 480x minus 480x cancels. Then what is remaining in the LHS? 4800 equals the product of these two. You do the cross multiplication, yeah? Then you can get 4 into x square plus 10x. Then 4800 equals, again you write the product of these two. 4 into x square is 4x square and 4 into 10x is 40x. Or otherwise, here only you can do the cancel. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 twos are. Then you will get 1200 equals 1 into x square is x square. 1 into 10x is 10x. That also you can do. Now you got the equation x square plus 10x equals 1200. Here you exchange these two. Write the LHS in the RHS, RHS in the LHS. That helps to bring this equation to the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. And you write x square plus 10x minus 1200 equals 0 after transferring this to the LHS. Now you got this equation in the form x square plus 10x minus 1200 ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here you can factorize it by splitting the middle term. Then what is the product here? The product of the factors is minus 1200 x square. It is product PQ and P plus Q, sum. If P and PQ are the factors, the sum is plus 10x. And you know that as the product is negative sign and the sum is positive, the factors are having different sign. As the product is negative, the factors are having different sign, and the greater factor is having the sign of the sum, that is plus. So you factorize it. You write 1200 x square. Here you will get plus greater factor minus. Now you factorize it. 1200, 2 into 600, 2 into 300, 2 into 150, 2 into 75, and 3 into 25, 5 into 5, 5 into 1. Here see the relation. Can take 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, and 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. 40 into 3 you can get 40x into 40 into 30, 40x into 30x. The factors are plus 40x and minus 30x. Then you take x square plus 40x minus 10x minus 1200, which is equals to 0. Without doing the factorization also, you can get the factors. That is by your logic thinking, because here you know that 4 3s are 12 and 40 into 30 is 1200, and the difference is here 40 minus 30 is 10. So you can refer this also if you have the logical idea. Now here you got this equation having the 4 term. This 10x is split into 14x minus not 10x, 30x. Then you write x into x plus 40. Remove the common out of these two factors. Again you remove the common out of these two factors. Here the common is minus 30. If minus is outside, in the bracket you are going to get x, and this minus becomes plus 40 equals 0. Then the two factors, here the common factors are there. Same factor, x plus 40. In the bracket you write x minus 30. X minus 30, which is equals to 0. Then you write x plus 40 equals 0 or x minus 30 equals 0. So you got x equals minus 40 and x equals 30. So you got the value of x is 30, means that is the speed. Here find the speed of the train. What is the speed of the train? Speed of the train is 30 km per hour. Then you write speed of the train is 30 km per hour. Now you take the next question. What is that question? That is the OR question. Find two consecutive odd integers. Sum of whose squares is 290. So here the numbers are odd positive integers. Odd positive integer means just like 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. And you observe the difference between them. Here you know that 5 is 3 plus 2, 3 is 1 plus 2. You will get two difference between them. So let us let the two consecutive positive integers are x and x plus 2, as the difference between them is 2. So you write the two consecutive positive integers are 2 consecutive positive odd integers. You must write odd integers. Odd integers are x and x plus 2. X and x plus 2. So you take the two consecutive odd positive integers are, let two consecutive odd positive integers are x and x plus 2. Here it is given that sum of whose squares is 290. Means their squares becomes x square and x plus 2 whole square. Their sum is plus, which is equals to 290. Now you write x square as it is, x square plus the expansion of x plus 2 the whole square. Then what is the expansion of x plus 2 the whole square? To write the expansion of x plus 2 the whole square, you must use the identity a plus b the whole square. What is the expansion of a plus b the whole square? Is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then the expansion of x plus 2 the whole square. Here in the place of x, in the place of a, x is there. In the place of b, 2 is there. A square means x square plus 2 into first term x, second term b is 2, plus b square is 2 square. So you got x square plus 4x plus 4. So the expansion of x plus 2 the whole square is x square plus 4x plus 4, and you transfer this 290 to the LHS, that becomes minus 290 equals 0. Then you got here x square plus x square is 2x square plus 4x, you write 4x only, and 4 minus 290 is minus 286 equals 0. Then you remove common out of 2, 4 and 286. So you remove 2 common. In the bracket you are getting x square plus 2x minus 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 3s are equals 0. So you got the equation x square plus 2x minus 143 equals 0. Now you take the sum and product. The sum is plus 2x and the product is minus 143x square. If you want to solve it by using the method of factorization, that is by splitting the middle term, then you take pq equals minus 143x square and p plus q equals 2x. Then minus 143 x square is to be splitted into two factors which are having different sign, as the product is having negative sign and the greater factor is having the sign of the middle plus and the smaller is having minus. Now if you factorize it, 143, you know that it is divisible by 11 because the sum of the alternate digit is same, 1 plus 3 4 and this is 4. So you divide it by 11. 11 ones are 11. Here 3 is remaining. 3, 11 3 is 33. So 13 ones. So you got the factor. Greater factor is 13x minus 11x. In this way, here you got the two factors. The middle term 2x is to be expressed in the as a sum of these two. So you write x square plus 13x minus 11x, and you write this minus 143 as it is. Minus 143 equals 0. Now out of these two you remove x common. X is common. X into x plus 13, and out of these two you remove minus 11 common. Minus 11 in the bracket. Here x is remaining, and this, as there is negative outside, in the bracket this minus becomes plus, and you know that 11 13 is the 143 because you got these factors. Now you write x plus 3 as a common factor, x plus 13 and x plus 13 as a common factor, and you write x minus 11 as the other factor equals 0. Now equate each factors to 0. First one is x plus 13 equals 0, and the or you take x minus 11 equals 0. If you solve, it becomes x equals 0 minus 13 minus 13, and x equals, if you transfer minus 11, it becomes 0 plus 11, 11. So this one you must get here because it is a positive integer. So if you take x equals 11, the other one becomes x plus 2, which is 11 plus 2, 13. So you write x equals 11, the other one is x plus 2, which is equals to 11 plus 2 equals 13. Therefore, the two consecutive positive integers are 11 and 13. Two consecutive positive odd integers. Odd integers are 11 and 13. Now you take the question number 26. What is that question? Prove that cosec 90 minus theta minus sin 90 minus theta into cosec minus sin theta into tan plus cot theta. Tan theta plus cot theta. What is that question? Cosec 90 minus theta. You write that LHS, you write LHS equals cosec 90 minus theta. Here you write this bracket minus sin 90 minus theta into cosec theta minus sin theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Then you must know the complementary angle of cosec theta is secant theta. So you can write cosec 90 minus theta, which is equals to secant theta, minus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this bracket closes. The next, you write cosec theta as reciprocal of sin theta, 1 by sin theta, minus you write sin theta as it is, sin theta, and in the other bracket tan theta plus cot theta. Express tan theta in terms of sin by cos, that is sin theta by cos theta, plus express cot theta in terms of cos by sin. You know that tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin. So you write cos theta by sin theta. The next you write secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So you write 1 by cos theta Here secant theta is 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, and you write the other as it is, 1 by sin theta minus sin theta, and sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. That equals, here you take the LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is cos theta. For this you take the LCM. LCM is cos theta, and 1 remains 1 only, minus, here cos theta by 1 means 1 into cos theta is cos theta, so cos into cos theta. So you take the product of these two, as the LCM is cos theta, cos into cos is cos square theta. Next, here also you take the LCM. LCM is sin theta. Then it becomes 1, you write as it is. 1 minus sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Next, here you take the LCM is the product of this denominator, cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta, and sin theta into sin theta, you will get sin square theta, plus cos theta into cos theta, you will get cos square theta. That equals 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, you know, sin square theta. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then you can write in the place of cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Write cos theta as it is. Here you write 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Write 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and you write sin theta as it is. Now you know the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Then you write sin square theta as sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta. And cos square theta as cos theta into cos theta. That divided by cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. In the denominator you write cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. So you can cancel sin theta, this sin theta, this sin theta. Cos theta, cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. So you got 1 by 1, which is equals to 1. Therefore you can take this cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta minus sin 90 minus theta into cosec minus sin theta into tan theta plus cos theta is equals to 1. Therefore you write cosec 90 minus theta minus sin 90 minus theta into cosec theta minus sin theta into tan theta plus cos theta is equals to 1. Next you take the OR question. What is that? Prove that sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 2 into 2 square sin square theta minus 1. Here also you write the LHS. What is LHS? LHS equals sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here you write the product of these two by using the identity a minus b into a plus b. First term and second terms are same. So use the identity a minus b into a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. Then sin minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta is sin square theta minus cos square theta, plus you write plus, and again the product of these two, sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta is sin square theta minus cos square theta. Then sin square theta plus sin square theta is 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. If you add them, it becomes minus 2 cos square theta. Now you remove 2 common, 2 into sin square theta minus cos square theta. Then you write 2 into, here you have to express this in terms of sin square theta only. Therefore you write sin square theta as it is minus, you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Then cos square theta is equals to, cos square theta is equals to, if you transfer this, it becomes cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So in the place of cos square theta you write, in the place of cos square theta you write 1 minus sin square theta. That equals 2 into, write this sin square theta as it is, minus 1, minus into minus, plus sin square theta equals 2 into sin square theta plus sin square theta is 2 sin square theta minus 1. You got the RHS, which is equals to RHS. Therefore you write, therefore sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta is equals to what? 2 into 2 sin square theta minus 1.